Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we want to podcast about my our favorite way to practice speaking English. So in here I want to ask first, what's your way to practice speaking English every day?
Okay, my favorite way. This different era, different way. Okay. Nah, I want to tell you about my way when I first here. My favorite way for practice speaking English that just how to say.
So I just say how to say this and how to say this like that.
Yes, just how to say. Just for example ya, how to say rumput, how to say rumah ya like that lah. And then I want to ask to you, this kan my first way for practice speaking English. If you there is how many way?
If me for practice English, so I just memorize vocab in every day. So cause in here in Iden boarding school, we got vocabularies in every day. In first time we use English, so we can say that's August 2024. That's I just practice what vocabularies I have memorized. So I just practice like like how to say table. That's stable like that. I just remind and like I want to go. I want go to marks. I just practice every day. Just same like that. So first I practice English that I feel like difficult. But when I practice every day, when I try to improve my English, that's Alhamdulillah. Right now I can speak with English. But yeah, it's not really good my English because I'm still learning. Yeah, maybe just that. Fairness. How can you improve? How you can improve your skill from you first time cannot English until you can English? How you practice English?
Okay. What last time?
How you can improve your skill your English every day? You can practice every day until you can speak English right now.
Oh, my first time in Aiden boarding school Malang, I really cannot speak English. Even I cannot differ between around you and then R is they see he eat that I don't know what the meaning. And then I following the class every day, every time, and every day in the class for the first weeks that there is vocabularies. Yes, I memorizing. Maybe for a day there is five lah minimals. Minimal there is five vocabularies, and then I memorizing that. Yeah, improve my English little by little. After I expand my vocabulary, I improve my fluency. I ask to my friend who is so good the English ya. I ask how to say this. Nah, and then my friend say how to say that is table. Like example lah kan. For the read, you read in table that is TABL
A.
and L and E. Nah, that if in Indonesia table. Nah, that I don't know how to say, and then I asked to my friend how to say this table. Nah, that just for example. And then others if improve my fluency, I talk to myself. Yeah, I like when I walk and then I talk with myself, like I can this, I cannot this, and then I say to myself, do you want to do this? And then others lah, like what that this just talk by myself. And then I looking for like game. The game the name is Duolingo. Nah, but in Duolingo there is collaboration with LGBT, because that I will not use again inshallah. But actually in Duolingo that good for you learn English. But that's yeah cannot, because that boycott, so yeah. Because in Duolingo there is mimic native speakers. Either there is original people English say how to say that the word in the game, and then I following lah. Yeah, you know lah if you know Duolingo. And then for I can learn very I want to learn very spirit for I learn. I put in my brain, I make if my brain if English that very important. Because why? Now Indonesia that is in the bad situation, and then there is the viral that come on go out. That if in Indonesia ayo kabur. Nah that kan if you go out from Indonesia you need English of course. That's very impossible if you go to other country and then you will not use English. That's very impossible. Maybe I will ask to you about by step you from zero speak English until now you can speak English.
So your question is step by step I improve my English. For example, I just improve my English just like talking with my friends. Cause in Indian boarding school, that we must speak English in from Monday until Friday, and and for Saturday and Sunday that's free for speak English, so we can say speak with Indonesian. So for I improve my English step by step, is I just like learn like I for I learning the I can speak English. It's I with my friend. So I with my friend, I with my teacher English. The same like your teacher English. I just talking with them. I just talking like we talking with English. I'm talking with them, and yeah maybe for first I always say how to say this, like I want to story to them, I want to tell I want to tell I want to tell a story to them. I still, oh, this like just how to say this. But when I say how to say, my friend alhamdulillah always support me for improve my English. Cause when I say how to say, they always answer, how to say this, oh, this, yeah, I can I can learn and I can improve my English also, from I talking with my friend. And maybe when holiday, I usually watch watch some movie and without translate, so I can practice my English skill from I watch movie without translate. I can understand or no, that can we can improve our English from there also. And usually, not just that, if you watch old anime, that's nothing nothing translate Indonesian, just there is English translate. So I ever watch old anime, and that's with English translate. Cause right now they not make the translate again. So that's just old anime, and they just leave it. There is English translate done. So I ever also, and I improve my English skill from there also. I try for translate the anime, kan the translate this English, so I translate with Indonesian. Oh, this, cause if we watch movie or cartoon, anime, something like that, we cannot we cannot understand if we don't understand the translate. So same like an anime with Japanese, with Japan language. So if we don't understand and then the translate with English, that's we need English skill for we can translate that and we can understand what the story. And I want to ask to you, Firnas, what your methods and your strategies to improve your English skill and for practice your English skill? What your methods and your strategies for improve your skill?
Methods and strategies. This there is I learned, yeah. I there is have read some text, some books or what others that like article or what. In there is methods and strategies for you can improve your English. For the first, there is speaking with friend or English partners every day, every time, every day, and anywhere, in every place. In all of time, you need friend for you speak English. This just for methods and strategies for you can more easy learn English. For example, you walk. Usually you just silent and then you just think what do you want to do. Now this if there is friend partner English, you will get more much the skills. You will get more much your skill the English. You will talk with your friend with English and then your friend will talk with you with English also. And then for the second methods and strategies, in here there is joining some English club. I think in other school in IDN in others IDN in other school is mean in others from IDN, like in schools country on or what the name swasta. I think in every school will there is English club, because when I elementary there is like some student that they so like it English, right? And then will use everyday one. That if there is English club in your school or there is English club in your company or in your university, you must do into that English club for you can more improve your skills, because in English club will so much friend you will get for partner you talk with English, like in IDN boarding school. In IDN boarding school there is so many club. There is Arabic club, there is English club, there is badminton club, and others lah. There is swimming club also and then there is extracurricular also. And then for the next methods and strategies, using some apps for translate your Indonesia language. Maybe like you when you walking and then you think you see when you walking and you think there is rock, and then in the rock there is green. Nah, you confuse what the English of the green in the rock if that. Nah, you need for you open the apps translate. You directly translate in your apps like there is the lamp, and then inside the lamp what the name there is cable, and then in the cable there is what the name what the name of cover of the lamp what the name in English. Nah, you can translate. And then there is the wood. If wood, the English is wood. And then if serat wood, what the English of serat kayu. Now you can translate in application translate. You can ask in maybe there is so many translate like Google Translate, and then if you want to translate more good the English and then more really there is the English that you can ask to ChatGPT or ChatGemini or Meta AI and others. And then for the methods and strategies, there is watching English movies without subtitle. Like before Hasan said, this just some strategies, some methods for you can more improve your English. One of them is you watch English movies without translate, because this will make you more spirit for learn English. I want watch movie but without subtitle. That's really good. Like I feel same if I watch English movie and without translate. And then for the next, in here I write that is, yeah, listening the podcast with the English language like us. You can listening our podcast with English language and then without translate. And then for the more our language, this just beginner language, and then this so easy for you can understand. For the last, I for the last my methods and my strategies is you reading the some vocab with loud with the big sound. Maybe after you looking for the translate in the apps of translates, maybe like wood, oh, and then you reading the vocab with the big sound like wood is the kayu, nah, just like that. This just for make your memorizing more strong. Yeah, I make for conclusion. I put here there is for the method and strategies you can put in your note. There is speaking with language partner, and then there is joining an English club. There is using language exchange apps like Translate, and then watching English movies with the subtitle, and then listening to English podcasts, and for the last, reading a lot. You can give note in your book or give note in your phone. That's it up to you. Maybe there is some question will you ask to me?
Mm, maybe no, I don't have any question for you. Maybe just this. Maybe that's all. That's all from our podcast, ya guys. And we can get point from this podcast is English is important for all of us. English is important. So if we can speak English, we if we want to go other country, we don't confuse again. For we study English again, because we can speak English. And from conclusion from us is that we have to practice every day, and we have to listening movies without translate Indonesian, and we can translate what it mean this, and we can practice every day with our English partner or with our friend. So you just invite your friend for speaking English. So maybe that's all from the point, and that's all from us. Yeah, that's all from us. That's all from us. Thank you, and assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.